Video instruction manual, wiring. The last thing that I wanted to show you on the digital glycols is to how to wire the system or how it should be wired. Hopefully no one's got in there and messed around with anything, and you notice that our power is on, so you don't want to touch anything inside there. As I open it up, this is the back of the circuit board. You do have a wire USB port on the back of that front panel for uploading the software. The only two wirings that we have currently, level switch, top row 8 and 9, and the sensor, which we can always send you a wiring diagram for that one. But that's really it. Behind the glass here you'll see a transformer and the relays basically for turning on the pump and turning on the alarm. Hot power comes in down here on the bottom. There's a neutral block, a ground block, and then the relay block, which you can see here where the pump's hooked into. That you really shouldn't have to do, but that's all there is to it, to wiring.